Hey guys, have you ever been looking at a vinyl wrap car and wonder where it all started? Why didn't they just paint it? Or what the first color a car was wrapped in? Stay tuned to find out. Roll the tape. Vinyl wraps have been around for a few decades now, but in the beginning they were used primarily for advertising. It wasn't until the early 2000s where color change vinyl wraps started to become popular among car enthusiasts. At the time, paint jobs were the traditional way of changing a car's color, but they were expensive and time-consuming. Color change vinyl wraps offered an affordable and convenient alternative. It's like a DIY paint job without the mess or chance of ending up on a bad home renovation show.
Open your eyes and see your new room.
What the hell to the no? I'm sorry.
The first color change vinyl wraps were produced in limited colors and patterns, but as demand grew, manufacturers began to offer a wider range of options. Today you can find vinyl wraps in about any color or pattern imaginable, from matte black to chrome to camo. A wrap shop is like a candy store for car enthusiasts.
Yes, you can. And today I'm going to show you how. So normally you're going to want to take the antenna off. The last wrap shop that had this car ripped the antenna, and we don't want to create a bigger problem for ourselves. First, we're going to do is take off the antenna.
Yeah, bro. Follow us at Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at auravinyl.com. At auravinyl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, sir. Vinyl wraps for cars became popular thanks to the advertising industry, but they really took off in Germany in 1993. A vinyl manufacturer named KPMF created a vinyl film that could be used in place of paint to change the color of the cars they used as taxis. Thus, the K888-23 Taxi Beige was born. Prior to this, German taxi companies were required by law to paint their fleets in beige, which would greatly affect the resale value of the vehicle. The vinyl wraps offered a cheaper and easier alternative to repainting cars. Today, vinyl wraps are offered in a variety of colors, designs, and finishes, including chrome and even color shifting. It can even have metallic flake, which has a depth to the finish that you'd think only traditional paint could provide. One of the major benefits of vinyl is its ease of installation. While a paint job can take weeks to complete, a vinyl wrap can be installed in a matter of days. And after 3 to 5 years, if you're tired of your glossy iridescent pink, you can switch over to liquid metal blue. It's like a car makeover with no commitment issues. From its humble beginnings as a commercial advertising tool to its current status as a popular option for car enthusiasts, vinyl wrap has come a long way. So there you have it, a brief history on the color change vinyl wrap installed on cars. With its ease of installation and variety of colors and finishes, it's no wonder why people flock to get some vinyl wrap. If you're looking for wrap help, make sure you join our Discord where we have a community of hundreds of professionals and DIYers that can help you with your next wrap. If you stuck it out this long, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. If there's anything you want to talk about or see, drop it down in the comments. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you catch you guys on the next one. Later.